How to clear all app data and cache on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, on your home screen, press and hold the app icon and you will see the remove app option. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option and reinstall it from the App Store. This is the best way to completely clear app data. You may need to log back again. Next, open settings and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, go ahead and tap on any of the app that you think has a lot of cache in it and then tap on the offload app option and offload the app. This removes the app but will keep documents and data. You can then reinstall it again. Next, in settings again, tap on the apps option at the bottom and then tap on Safari. Further, tap on the clear history and website option you see there, and clear your history and Safari is one of the few apps with a built-in cache clear option. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to messages and then go ahead and delete large photos, videos, and GIFs. Next, you can simply go ahead and restart your iPhone, as a simple restart clears temporary system glitches and caches. See if your issue is fixed yet or not, and if not, then make sure that iOS automatically manages cache in the background and there is no official clear all cache button on iPhone. So, these were a few ways on how you can clear all app data and cache on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.